Welcome back to Suzieandersonhome. Today we're addressing 5 common interior design mistakes and offering practical solutions to elevate and beautify your home. Design mistake number 1. Over-reliance on overhead lighting. Solely depending on overhead lighting can create a flat and uninviting atmosphere. Additionally, choosing the wrong light temperature can make a room appear dull, cold, or harsh. While overhead lighting can provide a consistent level of illumination, it doesn't capture the appeal of natural daylight, such as the dynamic quality of sunlight filtering through trees or clouds. The solution. To create a welcoming light scheme, consider the following. Layer your lighting. Incorporate a mix of ambient, accent, and task lighting to enhance both functionality and style. Ambient lighting includes downlights and ceiling pendants, which provide even illumination. Accent lighting draws attention to specific objects or architectural features, adding drama and visual interest. Task lighting in the form of table and floor lamps is ideal for focused activities like reading or cooking. Lastly, complement these sources with atmospheric lighting, which adds a soft decorative glow in the form of candlelight, fairy lights, a Himalayan salt lamp, and more. Introducing these layered light sources, along with textured shades or light diffusers, can help emulate the varied, dappled, and soft nature of natural light. Design mistake number 2. Incorrect rug sizing. Another mistake is selecting rugs that are too small for the space or the furniture they accompany, or not using rugs at all. This can lead to a visual imbalance that detracts from the overall harmony of the room. The solution. To choose the right rug, keep these considerations in mind. Proper rug sizing. The living room. If your living room furniture is placed centrally in the room, choose a rug large enough to encompass all pieces. If the furniture is positioned near the walls, ensure that at least the front legs of each piece rest on the rug. The dining area. The dining room rug should extend at least 60 centimeters beyond each side of the table. This allows chairs to be moved in and out without catching the edge of the rug. The bedroom. The bedroom rug should be large enough to extend beyond the sides of the bed, providing a comfortable landing area. In hallways, ensure that the runner extends the full length of the hallway for a cohesive and streamlined look. Tailor your rug. Lastly, for the ideal fit, consider a custom-made rug that matches the exact dimensions of your hallway or room. Design mistake number 3. Hanging curtains too low. Next, hanging curtains too low can affect the perceived height and proportion of a room, making it feel small and outdated. Curtains that are not wide enough for the window or too short can disrupt the visual flow of the room and make it feel less put together, drawing attention to the lack of coverage. The solution: hang high. Install curtain rods as close to the ceiling as possible, or even a few inches above the window frame. This creates the illusion of higher ceilings, making the room feel more expansive and contemporary. Ensure your curtains just touch the floor or slightly puddle for a more elegant look. Design mistake number 4. Missing elements in your vignettes. We've all had the experience of buying a beautiful vase, decorative item or candle holder, only to struggle with how to arrange these pieces together in a way that is visually appealing and complements your design style. Common issues include vignettes that lack dimension, appear cluttered, or feel too generic and lack a personal touch. The solution: when done right, a well-curated vignette can infuse your space with personality, style, and interest. That's why I developed our 5 L's of styling, which you might already be familiar with. So here's how to create vignettes that truly shine. Incorporate living energy. Adding elements such as flowers, succulents, branches, leaves, and plants can breathe life into your vignette. Something loved. Integrate items that reflect your personal taste. This could be a favourite colour, pattern, texture, or decor item that adds character to the vignette. Add lustre. Elevate your vignette with elements that feature shine, gloss, or reflect. This can include items with metallic finishes, glass objects, or decorative pieces that capture and reflect light. create depth and dimension. Lastly, for dynamic arrangements, position objects in the foreground, middle ground, and background to build a three-dimensional effect. Keep in mind the rule of three and vary heights, shapes, scales, and sizes to add visual interest and avoid a flat appearance. Design mistake number 5, neglecting the bathroom. A well-designed bathroom should be a retreat, not an afterthought. Often bathrooms can lack stylish decor and can become overly cluttered with half-empty plastic toiletries or items that you have no real intention of using. The solution. To revitalise your bathroom, try these tips. Beautify everyday items. Replace generic plastic bottles and containers with decorative vessels made of glass, ceramic or marble for hand and body wash, bath salts and other bath and body products. Think about the comfort of a hotel bathroom, where essentials are elegantly displayed in beautiful dispensers. Consider stylish alternatives for storing toilet brushes, waste bins, toilet roll holders, tissue boxes, and more. Add decorative touches. Using the styling techniques mentioned earlier, introduce small decorative elements. This could be a beautiful soap pump, an eye-catching candle or diffuser, a vase with seasonal blooms, hanging eucalyptus from the shower head, or decorative pieces like coral. Install attractive storage solutions. If space allows, introduce an interesting armoire, chest, or display unit that allows essentials to be put away but within easy reach. Bonus tip. Lastly, a common oversight that can diminish the overall appeal of your home is neglecting regular upkeep. Dust accumulation, clutter, wilting plants and unclean windows or rundown front porches can all detract from your home's overall environment. The solution. To keep your space fresh and inviting, follow these maintenance tips. Remove cobwebs and dust. Regularly inspect and clean cobwebs and dust from corners, ceiling fixtures, baseboards, shelves, stairwells, and behind furniture. Periodically assess your belongings and donate items you no longer need. Clean windows and mirrors. Maintain streak-free windows and mirrors to enhance light, luster, and cleanliness. Lastly, be sure to replace or care for any dying or wilted plants for a vibrant and fresh feel. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these tips inspired you to elevate your home. Let us know in the comments below if you'd like to see a part 2. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe, and remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.